What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So you guys, I'm back in Five Below, and there's some things that I've been seeing on Instagram that I was really hoping to find in the store, and I found them, you guys. Look at these, they're $5. They're the Orb Ball of Bubbles. Wow, look at these, you guys. Birdy has one.
And then they have the little, like, fish versions.
Oh, look at the fishy, you guys. The fishies.
A frog.
The frog. They're so cute. These are the Bubbles pets. Oh, man, let me see this one. Oh, look, you guys. So adorable.
I like this yellow crab. Feel it.
Oh, this one is, like, really firm. He's a tiny one, but he's really cute. Ooh, look at this one. This one is purple with blue inside. I really, really love his colors. And I love his little bugging out eyes. Those are so cute. Yeah, you guys, for a couple weeks now, I've been seeing these on Instagram and online on fivebelow.com, and I've really been hoping to find these in the stores. So we might have to get one of these today. Also, in my last shop with me, I shared with you guys all these new $5 squishies, and it looks like they have even more. They have the strawberry this week, they have the donuts, they have the cute beach balls. What else? They have the little pink. You guys, I thought this was going to be a little pink poop emoji, but it's not. It's a cupcake. What else do we have? Oh, the sunflower was here last week. Oh, these are nice. Okay, I want to smell it. It just has your really nice classic like vanilla squishy smell. And then I wanted to share with you guys that they actually have goggles here, because we bought some goggles at Walmart and they didn't really work out very well. But they have goggles here. It says find your fit, and you can actually try some on. So I'm going to have my kids try some goggles on because we bought this 3-pack, like I said, that didn't work out. So they have youth sizes. I thought they had adult sizes too, but those might not be here. But they have a lot of things for the pool, you guys. They have like the little baby floaties, which of course you have to watch your baby while they're in there. But they have like the cute sit and float lounge with the built-in cup holders. I would love to chill in one of those. Look at this. They have the super sweet Froggy Friend shaded baby float. That looks adorable. And then this is an amazing deal. Some years ago I bought one of these for Birdy and Gator, and these were about $30 each at Target. So they have lots of things for the pool here. Oh wow. Splash Fun Time Bomb. Pass it quickly or you'll get splashed. And I think you can put 10 balloons inside. Oh, look at these. Birdy would have loved these when she was little. These are magical mermaids, and I think they're diving sticks. Oh, they are. Oh, those are so, so sweet. I really, really love this idea. I've never seen mermaid diving sticks before. That's so cute. I think those are $5. And then they have cute little diving fish, and you can use this little net. Oh, wow. Okay, you guys, last week I was talking to the manager, and he told me that they have a whole new setup for room decor. So I'm going to take you guys over to the room area where there's all sorts of like my room, my rules, you know, decor, pillows, cute things for your bedroom, cute things for your home. I'm going to take you guys over there, and we're going to see what's new. I'm already seeing some new things from here. Oh, looks like they have some new tablet cases too. Okay, stay focused. Ooh, looks like they might have some new cups too. Let's see what might be new over here. Okay. These might be new over here. These are the little travel pillows. Oh wow, these feel so good. I'm gonna have to have Birdy come over here and feel one of these. Birdy, you gotta come feel one of these. They feel so nice. So nice. What do they feel like?
Squishy, but it's like almost slow rising too.
Yeah, put one around your neck. How would that feel to kind of like
to lay back on
lay
it
your
and
head
just
into
sink into it? It feels like sitting on like a firm squishy, and then once you lay down, then it just squishes in. And
They have really cute ones here. Look at this one. What's your favorite, Birdy?
I really like the llama.
You like the llama? Yeah, I like the green and pink. Oh, what about the kitties? I think the kitties are kind of cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Do they have noses? Oh,
Do they have noses? I don't know.
They're noseless.
You guys, this is like, I could squeeze this all day. Okay, I want to see what else they have. Wow, it looks like they have lots of new books over here. You're Weird, a creative journal for misfits, oddballs, and anyone else who's uniquely awesome. This is $5. A calligraphy book. Mad Libs. They have so many books here, you guys. Look at this. They have a lot of really cool books, workbooks, activity books, crossword puzzles. What's this? This looks so cute. It's called Love This, Want That. You guys, Birdy is showing me something so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
The reveal.
Look, you guys. Look. It's pink. It's soft and fuzzy. Can't touch this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's a plush journal. It's brand new. Did you see any other new journals over there?
Yeah.
I was just showing you guys the journals last week when I did the sort of like subscriber shop with me, showing you guys all the things that you wanted to see. More plush journals? No way. Oh my gosh, look you guys. Unicorn lovers, look at this one. So pretty. I love that color. This one is so cute. And then they have some new sequin journals that are super pretty too. Okay, I was supposed to be focusing on room things. Find the focus. I think this area might be new. These are all new rugs. I really like their rugs. 3 feet by 5 feet for just $5. This pretty one. This pink one is really pretty. Oh, and here we go. $5 lava lamps. A 13-inch really cool lamp. A 13-inch glitter light. Oh, what's this? This is a 3-piece wall shelf set. Oh, that is so cute. You could just put your cactus and your succulents up there. Save the Mermaids, Festival Fund, a little marquee light box for $5. They also have the 3-piece wall shelf set in black. Really, really nice. I really, really like this white set because I'm just thinking about my cactus and how cute that would be like on a little cactus wall. You guys, I still have to put my cactus wall together. It seems like the days are just flying by, but I'm going to make it happen. Okay, I want to show you guys a little bit more because they're going to be closing soon, but I'm finding some new shirts back here. These are all brand new with the tassels. And then I think these might be new. Again, these are just $5. Let's see what else might be new this week. We have the giant ice cream shopping bag for $2. That's a really nice deal. Whoa, you guys, look at the giant lip floaty over there for $5. I think this one might be new this week. Super cute, and they put some matching chokers over here. The chokers are also $5. Let's go around to the other side. see what we have. These are the ones I shared last week. And they also have some basics in black and white. Some little pool bags. You guys, this is so adorable. Look at this. Wow. We get bath bombs, and I'm guessing it's $5. We get the drink with a little silicone top. This is so cute. I think we get like 6 bath bombs. Let's see if we have any other new clothes over here. Oh, I think these are new. These little beach cover-ups, they're terry cloth. This one in white, it feels really nice and absorbent for getting out of the pool. And this pink is super pretty. I really, really like this one. I might get one of these. I really like the pink. And then they have a basic black in cotton, but it's not the terry cloth. I think these are new this week. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It says that dries metallic. It's smudge proof. These are $3, and we have a variety of colors. This one looks gorgeous. Kind of a nude. Super pretty. You guys, they have so much here. They have pretty jewelry, even prettier hair accessories. Oh, look at these. Love those. This big pack of earrings is only $3. Wow, you guys. Oh, this is so pretty. It says happy. Where'd you find it?
It's over on that wall right there.
Oh, show me. Are there new clothes?
Right there.
Oh, right there. Okay. This is new. Birdy brought us something new. These are new this week.
I think I want one.
Oh, okay. I'll get you one. Oh, that's so cute. Happy. Aw. Well, you guys, on that note, I think I'm going to end this Five Below shop with me. There's so much to look at here. Everything is super cute and trendy and fun and affordable. I love coming in here every week. They always have so many new things to look at. These nails here range between, I want to say $3 and $5, but I think it's more like $3 and $4. Oh, you guys, everything is just so cute. We're gonna have to do a video that's just totally dedicated to nothing but nails, because I am seeing some really gorgeous nails in here. To those of you that like to do your own, I mean, they have some deals in here. Well, hey you guys, that wraps up my shop with me here in Five Below. I had so much fun showing you guys these new items. I mean, there's just so much to look at. So if there's something in particular that you guys want to see in the next shop with me, please feel free to leave it down in the comments. But if you guys did enjoy this shop with me, please let me know that you did by hitting the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.